Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Pekerjaan, jadi aku pergi dulu ya.
Secepat itu?
Entire life of my whole life.
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning McQueen.
Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
This is it, my last offer.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, gas can is my middle name.
It is?
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Oh, baby, bring it out. Bring out the piston cup. Ka-chicka, ka-chicka. Yeah! Bonita música. finished his last race.
Hi, Connie. What's going on?
It's actually...
I trust him. Come on, let's take a drive.
A drop.
Belle! What's wrong? Thomas, that...
Voice recognized. Disguise program initiated.
Cool! Hey, come here!
What's Mr. Sterling gonna say?
I'm actually more worried about what Tex is gonna say, considering you.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Brasil!
You, sir, are officially incognito.
Yeah, you want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a road like this in years.
What just happened?
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
Now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
As no lawyer, the court will assign one to him. Hey!
Anyone want to be his lawyer?
I'm asking you to leave.
Come on, I'm a race car. You're a much older race car, but under the hood, you and I.
It's Jackson's Storm for the win!
Doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound. The first time I saved him, if I recall correctly.
Likes it like this too.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Sally. It is of... And my mama is right here. Mama! Go away, mama!